Imagine going from cluttered outlets that make your space feel smaller and more busy to super clean, sleek outlets that you barely notice. You will get that with Sleek Socket, and I am so thrilled they gifted me this socket as I already have one of their sockets and know and love this brand. Let me show you what you get. Now you can get Sleek sockets in a variety of different forms, from longer cords to multiple cords come out of the bottom, but this is one of the first versions they ever made, and in my opinion, one of the best. I really love this one. It is a very sleek cover that's going to fully cover your electrical outlet, and then it's going to plug into one of the plugs on it, and then you get a 3-foot cord that ends with 3 plugs, 3 outlets. They are all grounded, so you have a lot to work with here. And that's really it. This one's really nice for putting on kitchen counters. You can also just hide this behind a piece of furniture. What I like about it is it doesn't have as much cord as some of the other ones, so it really can all be visible while being hidden sleekly and very well cleaned up. And one of the ways you can keep that cord looking so nice and clean is that it comes with all of the wall clips you need. You have this nice rounded clip that will help bring the cord down to your baseboard or maybe down to your carpet, wherever you're going to tuck the cord in. And these all have double-sided sticky tape on them to put them where you want. And then you get a bunch of clips as well for the cord that also have double-sided sticky tape. Now I got myself this exact version, though it has been upgraded since I got it about 2 years ago. I initially got it for a kitchen countertop. I loved it so much there. And then when we moved, I didn't need it on my kitchen countertop anymore. And so how I used it was actually behind my kids' bunk bed, because this is so flat. It allowed me to really get that bunk bed flush against the wall while still giving me access to all the plugs very easily. So there are a lot of applications for this beyond just looking like a sleek socket in sight. It's really nice to allow you to push furniture flat up against the wall as well. Functional in all uses, really fantastic socket. I know you're going to find a use for this. Probably multiple. I definitely recommend getting this Sleek socket.